Aduke, Aduke. The word do means to compete, to struggle to have something, to scramble for something. And ke means to pet, to pamper, to treat something tenderly with love and care. Aduke is therefore the girl child who is so sweet that everyone wants to have a chance of pampering her. Therefore, they start competing amongst themselves. The child will compete to pamper. The child will scramble to pet. This girl must be too beautiful, so sweet, so tender, so pleasant that all her relatives and anyone fortunate enough to set eyes upon her want to pet her. They so badly want to have a chance of showing her how special she is. Therefore, they start competing for her attention. They start competing to pet her. They compete to lavish her with tender care and love. Aduke, Wàá Ṣere.